Hey guys, and welcome back to Scotty Knows. Next day here, I'm getting ready to actually put the primer down, but I kind of wanted to show you guys what I was looking. So we are painting the engine bay today. So actually I got some paint and I kind of wanted to go over that with you guys. I'm actually doing a white primer from Custom Cans. I was able to get the Rossa Corsa red, Ferrari red to match the side. Of course I have it covered up, but everything should look pretty good. So I'm just going to hop right into it. I got everything cleaned up, wiped down, and go ahead and spray some primer. So stay tuned. All right, so here we are, boys. I got the first coat on. Again, I never did show you guys, but I'm using Custom Cans. So it's actually the Rossa Corsa, the Ferrari red. It's actual car paint that's in a spray can, so I think it's pretty cool. I do got some 2K clear that I'll eventually go over with it. But I think it's looking pretty good so far the way it is. Of course, I had some of my stuff rigged up, but I got everything. And of course, I'll do a second coat. But the first coat I think is looking pretty good, so I think we'll be good to go. But I think that's going to do it for this episode. Just wanted to get this engine bay painted and keep making progress for you guys. I got a lot of stuff to work on. I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning this stuff up. Put all that stuff in the next video, as well as start to clean up all my other stuff I got here. I got some other tubes, hoses, and all that good stuff. Of course, the AC lines, all that good stuff I got to put back in. So we're going to do that. But that'll probably be in the next video. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll start getting this thing back together. I gotta put the suspension back up on both sides, all that good stuff, put the tires back on, and hopefully get it moving. Also in the next video, we'll get to putting the dash in. I do have that all ripped out, so we're gonna go ahead and get that put back in. The new dash, I never did go back over that with you guys, but this thing's looking pretty epic here. So I got it all painted in the other video. Everything's looking good, looking solid. So we'll get this thing put back in once we finish up all attaching stuff to the firewall. That's going to be it for this episode. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned, watching the progress on the Del Sol build. Everything's in preparation for the D16Z6, which is going to be going in this engine bay here. So I think it'll match pretty well. But definitely check me out in the next video. Again, we're going to be putting a lot of stuff back together. Should be a good video. So until next time, I appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. And until then, I'll check you guys in the next episode. Peace.